Hello and welcome back to the Welsh Gardener. In this video I'm going to show you how you can make your old newspapers into these biodegradable paper pots. You're going to need some old newspaper, just like this, and you're also going to need, this is a paper pot former. So to make your newspaper pot with your newspaper pot former, so mine has 3 different sizes. The large, which is about this size, which is like this one here, which I made before. Or there's medium, which is like this one, which I made before. Or there's small, which is this one. I don't think I'll be using small for much because it's very small, but it's good to know that it's there. So I'm going to show you first how you can make the big one. So with my big one, there's the bottom bit as well, which you press it into once you've got the paper around this. So you need to get 1 sheet thick bit of newspaper. So I'm just going to take this bit off, put that to the side for later. Then we get this about this length here. That'd be enough for 1 pot. So you get your tool here, and what you need is the size of this tool plus 4 centimeters for the large one. So I'll say it's about there. I'll start cutting. If you're young and watching this, you need to have parents' supervision whilst you're cutting with the scissors. So there. So I've got this bit ready. This is the side that you need to fold into. So you're going to put this like so. Leave a little bit. Leave. Hold on. Sorry about this. So you need to leave a little bit at the top there, as you can see there, so that you can pull the tool out of the pot after. So you just roll it around, as I'm doing now. Try and keep it as neat as possible. Now then, once you've got this, you get the bottom here, and you fold one side in, then you fold the other side in on top of that, and then fold the sides in. So it's a bit like wrapping a present for someone's presents. So then you get this press former bit at the bottom, and then that bit, and you press it together like that, press down hard and twist, and then there you go, you have a large pot made for you. So then next, I'll leave this here. I'm going to make the medium one, which on mine, the press part for the medium is in top of the big press itself. So now for this medium, when you're cutting it, you need to cut with 3 centimeters of overhang this time, so about that. Hold on. Find my scissors. So I'll try and cut about that. I'm terrible at cutting straight lines in newspaper, as you can probably tell already. So you get this, like you did before, and you just fold it up, leaving that bit at the top to get the tool out, because that makes your life a whole lot easier. I found that out the hard way when I was practicing with this. So then you just do it as same as before, then fold in. I left a bit too much overhang here. So then you get your press tool, you push this in, twist like before, and then pull the tool out, and there you go, you have your medium pot, which is good because you can stack them inside the big pot. So now onto the smaller pot, which with this you only need 2 centimeters of overhang for tucking in at the end here. So let's just cut this. So there we are, I've cut that out now. That was quite a straight cut this time, surprisingly. So same as before, leave the gap. So thank you for watching this Welsh Gardener video. If you did enjoy and you found this interesting, then could you please subscribe and like this video. If you did enjoy as well, could you please let me know in the comments section below, as I've had loads of support on my last videos and it's really motivating me to make more good content to teach you. So if you want as well, let me know in the comments and I'll link this tool in the description so that you can get one of your own, so that you can make more biodegradable pots to cut down on plastic in the garden. So thank you for watching, I'll see you next time.